The relation between the distance and time is t is equal to alpha x square plus beta x, where alpha and beta are constants. The retardation is. Now, what is the given condition here? So, given condition says t is equal to alpha x square plus beta x. Now, in kinematics, we know that dx upon dt will represent the velocity, where x is the position of the particle. Okay, so now what can we do? We can actually find dt upon dx. So if we do that, we get alpha x square plus beta x. Now they have provided that these are constants alpha and beta. So alpha can be written outside. This will be x square plus dx upon dx. Obviously this value will become 1, and this is alpha into 2x plus this is beta into 1. So we achieve 2 alpha x plus beta. Now this value is equal to dt upon dx. So this can be written as 1 upon dx upon dt. Correct? And we already have defined that this is going to be velocity. So 2 alpha x plus beta. So from here, pretty interesting point we can draw, that v is equal to 1 upon 2 alpha x plus beta from the question. But now they want to know the retardation. So for retardation, we want to calculate the value of acceleration. So a will be given as v dv upon dx. So for retardation, we can use retardation is equal to minus of a negative of acceleration, right? That means minus v dv upon dx. Correct? Now the value of v is already known, and then we can substitute the values. We can find out the derivative. So first of all, this is the relation. So let us find dv upon dx, so which is d upon dx 1 upon 2 alpha x plus beta. So now this has to be treated as 2 alpha x plus beta to the power minus 1. So this will be minus 1 2 alpha x plus beta to the power minus 2. Correct? And then of course we need to differentiate d upon dx 2 alpha x plus beta also. So now this will be minus 1 upon 2 alpha x plus beta whole square into, if you differentiate this one, this will give you 2 alpha plus 0, because there is no x, so beta is a constant. So which we finally obtained, that this is minus 2 alpha upon 2 alpha x plus beta whole square. Now the value of retardation, we know that, so we need to substitute the value of v, and we need to substitute the value of dv upon dx, such that to find out the answer. So we obtained the value of retardation. So the value of v was 1 upon 2 alpha x plus beta into dv upon dx minus 2 alpha upon 2 alpha x plus beta. Correct? So we achieve here the value of r is equal to, this minus minus will become plus, this is 2 alpha upon 2 alpha x plus beta cube. Correct? So now if you see the options available, then according to the option, you need to introduce v here. So what to do? So we know that v was 1 upon 2 alpha x plus beta. So from there we can find we can put the value of, this can be written as 2 alpha upon 1 upon 2 alpha x plus beta whole cube. Now you know that 1 upon 2 alpha x plus beta is equal to v, so this can be written as 2x v to the power cube. So the retardation is 2 alpha v cube simply. So we got the expression in terms of alpha and v. So of course option number 1 has to be the right option for us. Okay, important question conceptually.